Hello friend, welcome back. So now we'll switch the roles of the two players, the two peers here. So this time we'll switch the advertiser and the inviter. So, oh, no, let's do this, move to here, and this guy go to here. So we'll add a button on the iOS device. So let's forget about this one for now. Yeah, so forget about this one for now. Let's focus on step one. So we'll delete this arrow, or all of them. Okay, no problem. So step one will be this guy, D. Okay, so the iOS device will send out the advertisement, and this is like a broadcasting, right? Broadcasting. So to all the short distance area. Now let's go to our, where is our iOS, connect for iOS, this guy. Okay, we need to add a button. Let's run it. Let's run it to see. Okay, so we need to add a button right on the left, like invite. Yeah, let's go to here. So click here and drag a button to put it here. What is the size of that? The font size is 36. Okay, so let's change it to 36. Done. And the title is advertise. Enter. Yeah, now let's adjust its location. Okay, and hide it, and hide this console, and add the constraint for this button, top and left. Add two constraints. Yes. So now let's run it. Yeah, the button is here, right? So now let's do the connection between this button and the view controller. Hold down Option key and click the connect for view controller. Yeah, so let's add a button here. Hold on Control key and Control drag invite. Oh no, sorry. Advertise, right? Type is okay, we don't use it, so it doesn't matter. Connect. What do we do here? Right, same thing as what we did here. Advertise, right? So yeah, we can remove that button clicked. So I think we can copy the whole thing from here, but let's redo it. Okay, redo it. So we need to create our nearby service advertiser. Wait a minute. is it possible like to define the nearby service advertiser? Can we define the, yeah, this time that's, oh, delegate equal to self start at, okay, so let's do the same thing there. Create a nearby service advertiser. Now let's hide this. So do we have nearby? Yeah, no, let's define the one nearby nearby service. Okay, nearby service advertiser, right? Equal, no, we don't need equal. So MC nearby service advertiser exclamation mark. That, so we can create the object, right? Nearby service equals MC nearby service advisor peer, yeah, peer ID. That's the thing representing our own ID, right, as the one of the parties in the communication. Discover, no, we don't need that. Discovery information. Service type, very important, right? This guy, we're using the same thing here. So this is like the identify, right? Identifying our service is for, it has to be short. As far as I remember, it cannot be longer than 15 characters. Okay, so now next one we'll set the delegate, right, to ourselves. So because we are nearby service delegate, nearby service advertiser delegate. Okay, so we didn't do, oh, now we need to add this one, right, to add this service. So we'll call this with two parameters, two arguments, okay, boolean and session. So true, this will accept invitation, and session, yeah, this session is the one we created here, yeah. So now with that ready, we can do nearby service advertiser dot start, right, advertising peer. Okay, so hopefully on the other side of the communication, that's the macOS app, right, can detect this advertisement and respond. Now let's run it. Click, okay, nothing happened because the other side, the other guy is not ready yet. There's no invite button there. That's created. Now make this guy a little bit smaller like that. Okay, so go to here. If we run this one, right, there's no invite button. Yeah, we need to add a button here, right, because this time, you see, this guy will be the inviter. Okay, we finished the step one. Now let's get rid of this and change the direction here. Can we do that? Okay, doesn't matter, we can redraw it. So after detecting the advertisement, right, the inviter will send out the invitation to the advertiser, and then the advertiser will accept the invitation. Then at that moment the channel communication channel is successfully built. Okay, now let's add another button here. Go to the main storyboard. Let's hide this part. So add button, push button, and put it here like that. So what is the size of this guy? Let's check. 1614. Okay. 16. Where is the font size? Here. Oh, 13. So increase 1. Increase by 1. Okay. The title will be in white, right? In white. In white. Enter. Now let's add the auto layout constraint. Top and right, right? Oh, this is 22. Let's use the standard value and add. Nice. Let's run it. Make sure you can see the button. Yeah, it is a button. Okay, now that's Meta API validate enabled. Okay. Let's do the control drag. Hide this part. Hold on Option key and click the view controller here. Oh, in advertise. Yeah, that's control drag. Hold on Control key and bring. Yeah, this one is selected. Hold on Control key, drag and release. So here is in white. Okay, we can select the type, connect. Right, let's double check if this works. Run it or not. In white. In white. Yes, the button works, right? So now let's remove that. What we need to do here, let's take a look of our in white, right? Oh, we can remove that now. In white button clicked. So we'll launch a browser, right? Like that. Browser view controller, right? With the service type and set the delegate. Then yeah, present, it means okay. So present, we need some way to dismiss it. Yeah, dismiss. When the browser view controller did finished, we'll dismiss that. Okay, let's try that first. The delegate method here. Now can we? Yeah, we can hide this. So browser view controller delegate, right? When browser did finish, browser view controller did finish, we dismiss it. Dismiss view controller. What is the syntax for that? Dismiss animated true. Browser view controller. Okay. So we'll dismiss this guy. Yeah, the signature of the method dismiss is a little bit different, right, from iOS. So here is the macOS. But anyway, browser, yeah, this one, based on my understanding. Okay, now in white we'll create the browser. That browser equals MC browser view controller service type. Yeah, what is the service type? This guy, right? We'll try to detect this service session. It's the same session there. and now we need to set the delegate, right? So the callback is called the callback. Those are called callback function. Callback function will be triggered when the system decides, right, it's proper. So delegate equals self. Now the next, we can present as sheet view controller browser. Okay, let's give it a try. So when we click the invite, right, we can bring up the browser view controller. Okay, run it. Invite. Oh, there's a sheet pop up. Okay, searching for the advertiser, and we don't have that. Cancel. Invite again. Cancel. Okay. So now let's stop it. Start from our original plan, right? So this guy will send out the green advertisement. Then our macOS inviter will launch the sorry about that. So inviter will launch the browser view controller to to select the advertiser, one of the advertisers. Okay, now let's go back to so this is our iOS. Run it and click advertise. Now go back to macOS. Launch it. Let's also show the simulator here. Okay, now we should be able to see, right, the iOS on the list. Invite. Yes, it's here, but why it displays like that? Okay, but anyway, we can see iPad. Okay, that's invite. Click invite. Connected. You see? Cool. But why it's like, I don't know. We didn't customize these, so is there a bug of macOS, right? You see iPad, you can read from the partial text. iPad Pro 9.7 inch is this guy right here. So it means the connection is connected, is built, right? Connected. Done. So since now, we can start the communication, right? We'll do that in our future videos. Invite. Yeah, it's already connected. Cool. Thank you for watching. See you next time.